Okay, this is the video made for class 10 students. This is a chapter about statistics. Statistics is a branch of mathematics which deals with the data. Data means it's the collection of information. Here you can see the measures of central tendency. So the measures of central tendency are nothing but mean, median, mode. Mean is nothing but average of the given numbers or given observations. Median is the value of observation which occurs in the middle when all the numbers are arranged in one order. And coming to mode, the mode is a number which appears very frequently. Now here we can see the mean in direct method. So these class intervals and frequency both are given by the problem itself. After giving these two in the problem, you are supposed to calculate the class marks. This class marks you can calculate by taking the formula upper limit plus lower limit by 2 in class interval. This side, right side one is called upper limit, and left side one is called lower limit. So upper limit plus lower limit by 2, so it gives 1, and later on go on adding 2. So add 2 to this, then you'll get this one, again add 2 that. Why we should add 2? Because of the class length is 2, so I am adding 2 over here, so that I am getting this all. For this you add 2, you will get this. For this you add 2, then you will get this one. Like this, go on adding. After that, this is sigma fi xi. How to find sigma fi xi I am explaining over here. This is fi and this is xi. First multiply these two, the result is 1. Again multiply these two, the result is 6. Like that, go on multiply. After that, if you add this all, whatever the sum you are getting, that is only sigma fi xi. Now this is sigma fi xi, and after that this is called sigma fi. Now the mean of the data formula is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Mean of the formula for mean is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi xi is here and sigma fi is here. So write these two and calculate, you will get mean. This is in direct method. The formula is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Now we'll see to find mean in assumed mean method. To find the mean in assumed mean method, the formula is a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. So this class marks you are supposed to calculate from the class intervals, whatever they are giving. Okay, from that you calculate this class marks. For example, only I am taking this sum, and frequencies already they'll be mentioned in the problem itself. Now the thing is you are supposed to find the deviations. How to find the deviations? From all the class marks you do subtract this assumed mean. From 25 subtract 55, from 35 also subtract 55, like that go on doing. From each and everything you do subtract this assumed mean only, then you'll get this one. Now fi di is nothing but this is fi and this is di. Multiply these two, the result is this one, and go on multiply fi di, like that you go on multiply, then you will get this all numbers. Okay, after that add this all, the result is 320, and then add this all also, the result is 45. After that you substitute each and everything in the formula. A, what is A? 55, substitute in the formula. Sigma fi di 320, that also substitute in the formula. Sigma fi is 45, that also substitute in the formula. And later on you calculate how much ever you are getting, that is only the mean. Okay, M is mean. And let us see the mean, how to find the mean in step deviation method. There are 3 methods, now we are in third method. So here the formula is A plus sigma fi ui by n. This n is nothing but sigma fi into h. Okay, the formula is very easy. This is somewhat we can compare the same thing with our deviation assumed mean method or deviation method. There also we are using sigma fi di, but the new thing is here is sigma fi ui. How to find ui? Now this is the problem we have on the slide. This one class interval, this one mid value, and how to find this mid values, you know, these frequencies. And this is also they mentioned in the problem itself. Now see how to find di, that also you know. Here I am taking assumed mean as 150. I am subtracting each and everything from the middle value. I am subtracting now. So after that I am getting this one. So after that, how to find ui? Ui is nothing but whatever di you are getting, that all numbers divide with the class length. This all numbers divide with the length of the class. What is the length of the class? C. 100 to 120. Length of class is, yes, 20. So divide each and every number with 20, then the result is this one, -2, -1, 0, 1. After that, as I told you, this is already there in the problem itself. The thing is, you are supposed to find the sum of the frequencies. This is sigma fi. After that, now fi ui. Why we should find fi ui? That is there in the formula itself. So we should find fi ui. Fi ui, multiply these two. Then the result is -24. Fi ui, multiply these two. The result is -14. Like that, go on multiplication. Whatever the numbers that you are getting, add those all numbers. That will comes under sigma fi ui. Now everything is substitute in the formula. Now we know capital A, we know class length, we know sigma fi ui, this one, we know already the frequency, this one. So add that all so that you will get sigma fi ui, substitute each and everything in the formula. Then this is the result for mean in step deviation. And coming to median, today in class also I used to ask the formulas most of the times. This is the formula for median. So this is median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. So here L is, first you are supposed to identify the median class. I'll tell you how to identify. Here L is lower limit of median class, n is number of observations, Cf is cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class, and f is frequency of the median class, and h is class size, length of the class. So these are the terms. This terms explanation is very important. Keep in mind. Now here I am explaining one missing frequency sum. This is there in our exercise 14.3 second sum itself. So they are giving some median is 28.5 and sum of frequencies the 60 also they are giving in the problem itself. Now you find the unknown frequencies, missing frequencies x and y. How to find this? For this we need cumulative frequency. Where will use cumulative frequency? Only to find median. To find median only we'll use cumulative frequency. First 5, write as it is 5 and then 5 plus x. This is the result, and then 5 plus x plus 20. This is the result. After that 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15. And this is the result. Like that you add this all also, this will be the result. And finally when you add 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus 5 plus 5, this is the result, 45 plus x plus 5. Now we have the median 28.5. Where this lies? The 28.5 lies only in this class interval. In this class interval only it lies. Because of 20 to 30, in between 20 and 30, 28.5 is there, no? So here the median lies. So this is called median class. For median class, whatever the CF is there, preceding class CF, that is comes under CF, not every CF. The cumulative frequency of preceding class of median class, this is CF, and F is frequency of median class, this is F. CF over F over, and N, this is sigma Fi is nothing but N. This is 60, we'll write in the formula, and L is nothing but this one. L is nothing but this one, lower limit of the median class. Substitute all in the formula, then you can able to find X. I'm sure you can able to find X. Okay, after that how to find Y? Here only we have 45 plus X plus Y, which is nothing but how much? 60 only. So 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60, then x plus y is equal to 15, there you will get one equation. So here you are going to find x value, substitute that x value so that you will get y also. For more reference, for more clarity, you can go to the example problem which is there before starting exercise 14.3. Okay, you can go through there also. Now this is the mode formula. The mode formula is nothing but L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here the form, before writing the formula, you are supposed to identify the modal class. Here modal class is nothing but a class interval with the maximum frequency, that is called modal class. So here I will explain the terms. This L is nothing but lower limit of the modal class, and F1 is frequency of the modal class, F0 is frequency of the class preceding to the modal class, and F2 is preceding frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. See, very easy. This one is modal class frequency. This one is frequency of the class preceding modal class. This one is frequency of the class succeeding modal class. This is preceding. This one is succeeding, like that also you can Remember, now here you see h is as usual class length only. Here you can see all the class intervals and their frequencies. Here this is the maximum frequency. So this one only called modal class. For this modal class, this is the lower boundary. So L value is clear. And for this modal class, this is the frequency. This is F1 is clear. And this one F0 and this one F2. Substitute all the values so that you can find the modal class and even the mode of the given frequency distribution table also. Okay. Now these are the OU course that I'll explain after explanation done in the class. After that, now if you have any queries up to here, you can please share with me, no problem.